In this video, I will teach you how to turn off autoplay on Apple Music. Autoplay on Apple Music can drain battery and data, play unwanted songs, and lead to repetitive tracks. It may also add new music to your library automatically and reduce active music discovery. To turn off autoplay on Apple Music, click on the three dots with three lines on the upper right of your screen, and you will see that the infinity sign here is red, which means autoplay is on. If you scroll down, you will also see the different songs that will be played next, because these songs are somewhat similar to what is being played. Now, to turn it off, just simply click on it, and autoplay is now turned off. If you scroll also, you'll no longer see the songs that are suggested. And if you click it again, autoplay will be turned on, just in case you have changed your mind. And that's how we turn off autoplay on Apple Music.